Good day everyone, this is Putot Iste and this is my new first Paano episode. What is Paano episode? I created this as word Paano. Why? Because I'm creating this another, playlist for my channel. Paano means how in English, wherein I will posting videos how to do things or instruct things para sa mga YouTubers, like paano maggawa ng or edit ng video, or paano maglapat ng thumbnails or anything, or ano pa. So this time ang gagawin natin is paano mag-featured ng video sa channel, or paano maglagay ng video featured sa ating channel, like ganito. Okay, so this time, we will use the screen sa laptop ko, and then just follow kung ano yung mga steps na ginawa ko. And I guess it's very simple, and just follow, and simple lang. Tapos while giving the instruction, hindi nyo makikita yung face ko, only the screen monitor lang papakita ko, para at least makita nyo kung paano gawin yung i-featured ang video nyo sa YouTube channel nyo. So let's start. So una, saglit lang. Okay, so una, this is our home sa YouTube. Search muna natin, sample yung other page, Putot Iste. That is my page. So yes, search muna natin. So sample yan, mga videos under my channel. So i-click natin yung pangalan, and after clicking the names, yan na, nasa bahay na tayo. So yan yung hinahanap na, yun yung gusto nating mangyari, yung may featured na video, yung nasa itaas. Tapos yan yung mga naka-arrange na videos. Pero yung gusto natin gawin is yan, yung featured video, short intro. So since gusto natin gumawa ng featured video, punta tayo sa channel natin. So your channel, click natin yung your channel. So this is my second account. So click natin yung customize channel, click natin. So after click, so dito na tayo, makikita natin yung home, i-click natin yung home, tapos automatic lalabas yung for returning subscribers, choose a video to feature here, or choose a video or playlist feature here. Note, future content won't show if you are live streaming. Hindi siya makikita kung magla-live streaming ka. So we have here future content, i-click natin tong future content. So loading. So at this point, pipili tayo ng mga videos kung ano yung ilalagay natin na featured videos. So ang napili ko is itong YSL Crew Dance. So add heading. So ito yung part kung saan maglalagay ka ng title, or title ng about the video na nasa featured mo. So sulat natin sample dance, or dancing is so much fun. Dancing is so much fun. So try natin i-click ang save. So maglo-load yan. Okay. So yan yung mangyayari kung na-click mo na yung save. So preview pa lang yan, and then click done, yung blue. So maglo-loading na yan once na na-click mo. And then so balik tayo sa channel, sa bahay mo, dun sa your channel. Then we will see if na-arrange na siya after refreshing your channel. So, hintay muna natin. Mga seconds siguro. Wait lang, be. So, yes. So, wala pa siyang improvement, no? Kasi naglo-load pa yung internet natin. So, we'll go to the videos. Click natin yung videos. Tapos, seconds lang. Refresh lang natin ng refresh para at least makita natin yung result ng featured video natin na gustong mangyari. So, balik tayo sa your channel or bahay natin. O bahay ng YouTube. O, ayan. So, yan yung mangyayari. Yan yung resulta. After refresh, so, may featured video na tayo. Dancing is so much fun. So, yan yung mangyayari. Kapag marami ka ng video na na-upload, automatic na mag-a-arrange siya. Then, move on din tayo sa dark mode. Yan. Kung gusto mo ng white mode ng YouTube mo, bahay mo, pwede mong maset. It's either dark mode or white mode. So, yan. So, I guess we're done with all the instruction. Madali lang, di ba? So, that's all and thank you. So, if you have questions, comments, reaction, just comment to our comment box para at least we can give you the answer directly. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell button and share. That's all. Thank you.